Hi everyone, welcome to today's tips and tricks video. My name's Valerie, I'm an Evolve 365 learning strategist at Planet Technologies. Today I'm going to show you how to use the slide master option in PowerPoint to create a consistent and professional look throughout your presentation using themes and fonts. I'll walk you through how to access this option so you can save time by visually aligning all of your slides. Ready? Let's get started. Here we are in PowerPoint. This is the desktop version. Currently, I'm on the Home tab. I'm going to go over to the right to View and then to Slide Master. You have a lot of options here. I'm going to just show you two that I think are quick and easy to use. First is fonts. You can choose a different font. You'll see what it might look like here, and then you can close it out and it will have applied it to all of your slides. And the nice thing is it doesn't change the size of any font, so it's going to retain those headings and then the body. It won't change those up on you. The other thing I want to show you back in the slide master is themes. If you don't like the layout of your theme right now, or you don't have a theme, you can come up here and choose a different one. Again, you'll get an idea of what it's going to look like here. You can close it out and then it will apply it to all of your slides. Just be mindful when you change the font and the theme, it can change how things are looking for you. For example, the font may have moved this word over when maybe it was up here before. Maybe you don't like that, or some of the images may not work with the theme you chose. So just be aware that you will want to review everything after and make adjustments as needed. So there's one other quick thing I wanted to mention. I told you I was in PowerPoint desktop. So if we take a quick look at the browser version, you'll see that under View, you don't have that Slide Master option. It simply doesn't exist as of now. The way around that is simply go to Editing and open it in the desktop, and that way you'll have the Slide Master option. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye!